Okay, now I'm gonna be continuing to show the code. And what I forgot to say is that I switched this right here that I already wrote and I just put it down because I was having some trouble, so I wanted to fix it, so that's why I put it there. Okay, so basically where I left off was that I'm gonna show how this code works. And oh yeah, I said that I put it because so as the user, so let me show you how it works. So it's gonna ask what is your secret word and I can put hi. And this showed up because since it was not, oh well, because I'm gonna add more right now. So then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to write, I'm gonna use a while loop. Well, I'm gonna first, before I do that, I'm gonna put when equals false, and I'm gonna do this because it will show after. And then I'm gonna use a while loop, and I'm gonna put while number of wrong guesses is less than 7. And the reason I'm putting less than is because the goal is to get it in 7 tries and not win. So if it's false, or yeah, if it's not false, since when equals false, that's what I meant to say. I put this here so that it can track how many times you've got it wrong, right? And I'm gonna use an input function again, and I'm gonna put guess equals input. What is your guess? So after you input your secret word, it's gonna ask you what your guess is. So this works because the game, that's how it functions. It's showing you how, or like it's asking you what your guess is, and this is how it works. So hi, and it's gonna ask me what is your guess, and I'm gonna put H, and it's gonna repeat because I still need to add more. Okay, and then put previous dot append, oh, not capital. And the purpose of this code is because so it can append the guess, the letter you're guessing. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the empty list to store the code. Oh, that was not. So I'm putting underscores, the empty list. I'm putting 4-letter in secret word. And the purpose for this code is that it's like checking if the letter is in the secret word. And if it is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put if letter in previous guesses, yes, because my variable right here, guesses, then underscores dot append letter. The reason for this code is that, so if the letter's in the word, that's gonna show it and it's gonna stay there. It's gonna append what you got. And if not, it's gonna append the letter. But if it's not in the word, then I'm gonna say underscores dot append and underscore, so because it's wrong, so I'm putting it there. And then to get it in the format that we want, I'm gonna put underscores format. And I'm gonna put equals dot join and then underscores. And then I'm gonna put print underscore formatter. So the reason for this code, the purpose for this code, or the reason is so that it can stay and it shows what you have so far. So how this code works, let me explain how this code works. So first let me show you how this code works. So secret word high. H. Okay then. Oh, I messed up. Wait, what did I do? Okay, hold on. I messed up in line 11. Oh, I forgot to put the previous as underscore guess. Okay, so that was my mistake. So I'm gonna put hello, and I'm gonna put H. And you see, now it printed this. So yeah, now it printed this. And how this works is that if the letter is in H, so since H was in hello, it appended the letter. That is why it was there. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it if it's not there. So then I'm gonna do if guess not in secret word, then number of, I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use a cumulative variable here, and then what I'm gonna do is say print this is your wrong. The reason for this code is to show that if you got a wrong guess, it's gonna tell you what you got wrong and how many you have wrong. So I'm gonna do this is your wrong guess plus then the number, how many times you got it wrong, and then plus string, and then number of wrong guesses. And then yeah, okay, so let me show you how this works. Or let me show you, yeah. Let me show you how it works. So I'm gonna put P. Oh, I keep putting it wrong. Okay, I messed up right here again. Sorry about that. I just put number of guesses outside, but I meant to put number of wrong guesses. So you see right here it put this is your wrong guess number 1. So how it works is that when you get a letter wrong, since this is right here, print this is your wrong guess. That's how it works, because it's set to print if it's not in the secret word. So guess is not in the secret word, P is not in the secret word, so it's gonna print out this is your wrong guess because that's how it's set. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put if the underscore is so I'm gonna do if not in underscores. This basically means that if you have it all right, then if you spell the letter out right, then win is going to be equal to true, and it's going to print you win. The reason for this code is that so if you've guessed the word within 7 tries, then it prints you win. And right now I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to put hello. I'm just going to put hello. Okay, so then HELLO. See, so since I guessed it within 7 tries, it printed you win. And I got none wrong, but so that's so the way that this so let me explain how it works. So if there's no underscores in underscores, like there's no letter there, it's gonna print you in. It's gonna print you in because you guessed it within 7 tries. So yeah, that is the whole code. I just moved this down to the bottom. So thank you. Bye.